That's another way to express it. We won't mess around with it. I only talk about it today because I do believe there might be a question on a practice test that includes that version. So it's nice to know it exists. By the way, there are practice tests on Blackboard, and if you had printed them off before this week, I would encourage you to kind of get rid of those and I've updated them or changed them a little bit this week. So this point forward, they're good, okay? And so, but there's a practice exam for every test, and there are also solution guides for every practice exam, okay? All available on Blackboard. So let's do this. Where's Matt Montgomery? Matt! I want an accounting word for each of those letters, Y, M, X, B. And since I'm asking you first, you get to go first, which is really a great opportunity because you can do the easy ones. Do one of the easy ones. He does not look excited about this. You don't, oh, you do too? One of them's labeled.
Oh, fixed cost?
Yes, which one is it? YMXB.
That'd be Y. No. X. B.
Fixed costs. Because fixed costs, fixed costs, what is the other name for this point? The y-intercept, also known as B. Okay. Now he gets it. Now he gets it. Whew. Scott Musgrave. Yes. You're up next. He took the easy one.
MX variable cost?
Not both of them, one of them. Do you need to borrow a coin? Do you gotta, now you're switching, but yes it is. Y is total cost, absolutely. Oh, Armando.
Would X be volume?
Yes, X is volume, and it stays X. But it is, in words, volume. Anthony. Sir? No. For M. Anybody have a shot? Variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit. Which, Regina, I will be very clear to label VCU. Okay? Variable cost per unit. Now, on your mark, set, go. Now using that formula, do a little algebra, calculate variable cost per unit. Sales of 38 units, total cost 21,750, fixed cost 17,000. Now you should be able to calculate variable cost per unit. And yeah, you might want your calculator out. Yes, it is. 17,000. Megan, you got it? Nope. Getting close? Not really. Is this hard? Just a little?
A little bit. It's been about 4 years.
Oh, I mean, 4 years from now, are you going to have forgotten everything I've taught you?
I hope not.
So there's the formula the general version of the formula, right? And so we're sticking 38 in here, fixed cost of $17,000, total cost of $21,750, and we are solving for VCU, right? And so why don't we subtract 17,000 from both sides? That's going to be 4750. 4750. I cannot write here today. 4750 equals 38 VCU. It's a little easier to think about it that way. So how do we isolate the VCU? Divide it. So 4750 over 38 equals VCU equals what? 125. Megan, is that a little helpful?
Actually, I was right there.
So you were a lot closer than you thought. Okay, questions, comments, concerns, random thoughts. You know what? Thankfully, that is as hard as the math gets in accounting. A wee bit of algebra. You know, most of accounting is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It's arithmetic, right? What makes accounting hard? Kind of, yeah, the whole system of stuff and just kind of knowing when to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. What to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and where does it go? Right? That's the stuff that makes it hard. But the calculations themselves are, for the most part, fairly straightforward and simple. Thank heavens. Right?